Matthew 19. When Jesus talk finish, e come out from Galilee go Judea area for the other side for Jordan River. Plenty people follow am and he heal all of them. Some Pharisee people come test am and ask am say, "Is it right for man to drive him wife at all?" Jesus answer, "You never read am from the beginning say na man and woman God make, and because of that, man go leave him papa and mama go join him wife, and the two of them go come be one? Dem no be two again, but one. So wetin God don join together, make nobody scatter am." The Pharisee people ask am again, "Wetin make Moses say make we drive our wife?" Jesus answer, "Moses say make una drive una wife because una heart dey wicked, but no be so God plan am from beginning. Now I tell una, anybody wey drive him wife wey no be say he sleep with another man but come marry another woman don commit adultery." The disciples come tell Jesus, "If na so husband and wife matter be, e better make person no marry at all." Jesus answer them, "No be everybody go fit accept this word, but na only the people wey God give the power. Many men no fit sleep with woman because na so dem born them. Some na human being do them like that, but others na because of God kingdom. Anybody wey fit accept wetin I talk, make e take am like that." Some people bring children come meet Jesus, make he put hand for their head, pray for them. But the disciples come begin quarrel with the people wey bring the children. But Jesus tell the disciples, "Make una leave the small children, make them come meet me, no stop them, because na them get God kingdom." So he put him hand for their head, bless them, then he waka come out there. One man come meet Jesus, ask him, "Teacher, which good thing I go do make I forfeit enter God kingdom?" Jesus answer, "Why you dey ask me about wetin good? Na only God good. So if you want enter heaven, make you keep God commandments." The man come ask, "Which one for the commandments?" Jesus answer, "Make you no kill, no sleep with person wey no be your wife, no thief, no talk wetin your eye no see, respect your papa and mama, and make you love your neighbor as you love yourself." The young man answer, "I dey obey all these laws with my heart. Wetin still remain where I go do?" Jesus tell am, "If you want the perfect, go sell everything wey you get, then give the money to poor people, and you go get better things for heaven. When you don't do wetin I talk, then make you come follow me." When the young man hear wetin Jesus talk, he vex waka comot because he get money well well. Then Jesus tell him disciples, "I tell una true word, e go hard for person wey get money well well to enter God kingdom. Again, I dey talk say e go easy for camel to pass through needle hole than for person wey get money well well to enter God kingdom." The disciples surprise when them hear these things, and them come ask, "Then who go fit the save?" Jesus look them and answer, "E no possible for human being, but everything dey possible with God." Then Peter come tell Jesus, "Look, we don leave everything wey we get come follow you. Wetin dey for us now?" Jesus answer am, "I tell you true word, for that time when everything go dey new, man pikin go sit down for him throne wey get glory, and una wey dey follow me go sit down for 12 thrones, dey judge the 12 tribes wey dey Israel. And anybody wey leave him house, brothers, sisters, papa or mama and land because of me, go get am back 100 times, and he go get life wey no dey end. So many people wey be first now go be last, and those wey be last go be first."
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.